Hello lovelies. So in this video I will just be doing a quick video on how to give the best result in Guild Showdown. So we see this button underneath the resources and where you go to put your shield on. We just want to press this because we want to click on a attack boost for our army men. Once you click on it, you can see there that it says army attack right under the shield, and you just have to click on that, and if you have one, you should have one, just click the first one because you don't really need a long one, because that's what you would want to do if you know you're going to be either defending yourself or attacking people or whatever. So you just want to do the quickest one that you have, and then move on to getting your army into the showdown, which is this little solo icon that has a little army face next to the gem animation, which that is the gem animation is where you go to buy packs, and then the solo one is where you go for like the news and the guild showdown, and even to do quests for guild fest. So you just click on that and that will take you to the list and you find guild showdown, and then you click on that, and that's what I'm about to do right now. Once you've clicked on that, you can see that your guild has submitted, hopefully. And then to register your own, you press the register button, and then you select as many troops as you can, but not siege. Siege is useless. You don't need to worry about siege, just your other army men. And once you have selected your army men, we will be men and women, I should say. We will be selecting our heroes, and so we want to pick heroes that are ranged, cavalry and infantry, and just stay away from the siege ones because they will do absolutely nothing, but make sure it is your strongest heroes after you skip over the siege heroes. And so these are the heroes that I choose, but everyone has different heroes who are stronger suited, etc. So once you've chosen your heroes, press confirm, and then you'll see that you're able to put in more troops. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put more troops in because the count went up as soon as we put in the heroes that gave us extra boosts. I guess another thing to note, even though it's obvious to some people, and I guess you might forget, but make sure you have all of your troops brought back in so that you can put in as many troops as you can. And so then after that, yeah, you press confirm and you're in the lineup. So then when guild showdown happens, you will win the prizes with your guild, because if you do not register, you do not get the prizes. And when you register, it helps you at a better chance of getting a better prize to winning the whole thing. So yeah, and that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, and I hope that you learned something, or even if you share it with someone who doesn't really know. It's not hard, but you know, I didn't know to the full potential. You know, obviously when I first started playing, I have a sister who I'm trying to get to play more often, so I think these videos will help her. I kind of have her in mind, and yeah, anyone really, not just trying to call her out. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm going to be making some more little quick videos in the future to help out my sister and to help out anyone else who just doesn't know small details about the game. It won't be anything like I won't be playing from the beginning and showing too much, but just little things. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.